Quickly connect peripherals. Form-fitting for a seamless integration and instant connection with all of your devices, including dual external displays. For the 13-inch MacBook Air, 2021-2018. MacBook not included. Space saver. Perfect for your office desktop, home media setup, or conference room. The vertical stand with integrated Thunderbolt connectivity helps save space on your desktop, gives you instant connectivity to all of your devices. Instant connectivity. One-handed docking that instantly connects to your displays and other devices. No need to plug in individual cables. Cooling system. Intake and exhaust vents allow additional airflow to and from the MacBook's cooling system. Efficient heat management keeps things cooler in clamshell mode even under the heaviest processing loads. Premium design. Space gray, solid metal chassis blends seamlessly with MacBook Air, creating a super clean desktop experience and home for your MacBook. Featuring refined spring force for sleeve movement, improved connection and port protection for your MacBook. Top reviews from the United States. Sleek and fast to dock. Needed something I could easily throw my work laptop on without having all the stupid dongles on my desk. Now it looks clean AF.